All right, Kodiak's Synthesis and Combustion Lab, take 2. So, first reaction is combustion. Generally, we refer to the burning of hydrocarbons as a combustion reaction, but really it's combining the oxygen with another element is a combustion reaction. So, that particular compound that's burning right now is butane, which you've seen a butane flame before. But the burning of butane is a combustion reaction, so that's reaction number 1. Reaction number 2 is to provide a little heat to some magnesium ribbon, and in the process that will cause the air and the magnesium to react. The air has oxygen in it, which of course will combine with the magnesium, but also the air has a lot of nitrogen in it, which is usually inert, but this burns hot enough that some magnesium nitride is also produced. So if you'd like to add that to the worksheet for extra credit, that would be fine. The reaction of magnesium and elemental nitrogen or diatomic nitrogen into. So we will just heat this magnesium metal up, and you can see that it burns super duper brightly. Well, you could see it. There you go. I wouldn't look directly at it, and hopefully it doesn't damage my camera. And because it is really, really, really bright. I didn't look at it with my eyes directly because it can end up leaving like an impression that maybe won't go away even when you close your eyes if you look at it too much. The next reaction we're going to do in these 2 petri dishes here, and it's the reaction of ammonia or ammonium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid to produce solid ammonium chloride. So we're going to take these 2 liquids. I'm going to put a drop of the hydroxide on the lid and a drop of the hydrochloric acid in the base of the petri dish. And then the trick to doing this is to get the lid on without letting the liquid run off or drop off, and to get it back on. So just going to carefully turn it over and try to, alright, we'll try one more time. I was able to do this perfectly earlier when the camera wasn't running, of course. So here we go, and what we want is the ammonia, and you can see it starting to happen now where the vapors of the ammonia, ammonium hydroxide, and the hydrochloric acid are combining to form that whitish colored cloud outside of that. I'll see if I can zoom in on that even further for you. And there we go. And then if I tilt it around a little bit, you'll be able to see that there's actually a solid white ring of ammonium chloride that's left behind with the liquid. So that's your product when you took the HCl plus the NH4OH, and those vapors combine with each other and you end up with a synthesis reaction. Because the NH4 that is part of the ammonia combines with the HCl and makes a compound called ammonium chloride. So NH3 plus HCl making NH4Cl, which is solid. So you can see the solid. It's really kind of a cool reaction, but also involves some concentrated acids and bases, so I would not recommend that you do it at home. Those are the reactions that you need in order to complete the synthesis and combustion part of the types of chemical reactions lab. Until next time, thanks.